What's going on, guys? Bob Buskirk here at Think Computers, and today we're taking a look at a new power supply from Antec. It is their high current Gamer M 750 watt power supply, and the high current Gamer M series is more or less the bang for your buck. And of course it is, for gamers. It has the 135 millimeter white LED fan, but you also get an 80 plus bronze certification, active PFC, and modular cables. So let's just go ahead and check it out. So starting here on the front of the box, it has a picture of the unit, lets us know that it is the 750 watt version, and it lists some of the main features here: continuous power, 135 millimeter DBB fan with white LEDs, and high current cable management. Also lets us know that it is 80 plus bronze certified, and it is NVIDIA SLI ready. On the back here, we have a ton of information in various different languages. On this side, it lets us know all of our connectors that are included, which is always good to know, especially, you have your setup ready, you want to know what connectors are on the power supply. And then we have our input and output graph on this side, but I know you guys just want me to open it, so let's just go ahead and do that. And we should be able to go just like that. And we have our little product overview and warranty guide. This does come with a 5-year warranty, which has become standard on most power supplies these days. We have our power cable, and it is pretty thick, which is always good. We have all of our modular cables, and they don't come in some nifty bag or anything like that. Remember, this is the bang for your buck power supply, so you're not going to get all of that, nice carrying bag for all of your cables. Now, if we open these up here, no flat cabling or anything like that, just the normal sleeve cables, as you can see right here. Still not bad though. Once they're installed, it really doesn't matter. They are labeled though, which is nice. They have these little stickers on them, which makes them, if you don't know what you're doing, you can go ahead and let's get them all out here as you can see them all. If you don't know what you're doing, these labels will help you out. Move all that out of the way. And we do have a set of screws, just normal screws for mounting inside of your case. And we can take the unit out here, and we'll throw the box on the ground. And we have a nice little bag here. Again, not the best one. Again, this is, like I said, the bang for your buck, but it does have the Antec logo on it. And we can take the unit out and set it down here. Now, this is not fully modular, so of course you're going to have your power connection. That is the only thing here that is connected. So you are going to have a power connection always connected here, and everything else is modular. So if we take a look at it here, we have these nice big Antec logos on the side. So if you do have a case window that shows your power supply, you're going to be able to see this, whether it's on, it's on either side. So you're going to be able to see the logo here like that, and it's, like I said, that red just looks awesome. I really like that. On the bottom, of course, we have our 135 millimeter fan, and again, it is white LED fan, so if you want to add a little bit more color to your case, this fan should definitely help you out. On the back here, of course, we do have a honeycomb design, and that's just going to help with cooling, to get air in and out of the power supply. Power switch, and of course power connection right here, and it does have another little logo right there. On this side, of course, is where you're going to find all of your connections. So if we move this, I can get this here in the light so you guys can see, we have all of our connections, and they are labeled here, and you can actually turn the LED light on and off. There's a switch right here. If you guys can see that, there's a switch that allows you to turn the LEDs on and off on the fan, which is actually nice. I don't think I've ever seen that in a power supply before. But you have all of your modular connections, and then the actual power connection, it's sleeved all the way into the power supply, and it has a rubber grommet around here. So when you're moving this around, it's not going to rip or tear your cables, which of course is very important. And finally, on the top here, just your input and output graph that you normally see on every power supply is right there. So that is basically it here for Antec's high current Gamer M 750 watt power supply. Now check back very soon on thinkcomputers.org as we'll have our full written review. And remember guys, if you like our videos, why don't you subscribe? Catch you guys later.